Today we're talking about the infamous 10mm spanner, the most commonly misplaced, lost, stolen tool in your toolbox. It's never where you left it, it's never where your friends said they left it, and if you're like me, you're probably just fed up with buying these. So what I'm going to show you today is a little trick that I use to make sure that this can't be lost, can't be stolen, and it's always there precisely when you need it. Okay guys, this trick's really easy. All you need for it is your 10mm spanner. Now the first thing you're going to do is just close one eye and concentrate on it. Really concentrate on it just for a few seconds. And when you're ready, 3, 2, 1. And there it is, your 10mm spanner. Stored for safekeeping, can't be lost, can't be stolen, and it's there for when you need it. So now whether you're at work or if you're out and about and you find yourself in a situation where you need to use the spanner, then all you need to do, again, is just get ready, concentrate, and there's your spanner, ready to be used. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. New tutorials every week. See you in the next one.